Everyone, this is Tanvi back with another Linux desktop customization video, and in this video I'll customize the Ubuntu 25.04. So before I start the customization, I will give you a little bit of preview of the customization, the end result of the customization. So this is how it's gonna look like after I'm done. Basically, I'm recording this video after I've made the customization. So this is how it's looking right now. So as you can see that there is all these dates of the month, and on the right hand side we have U over here, which is interactive. I can click on these buttons and this will open up a certain application. So first one is for Firefox, and second one is for the file explorer, and third one is for terminal, and the fourth one will take you to the .config. And this is the clock, and I have the username over here. Now this will not show my username for you. This will just get the username, what the username is for the system, and it will print it over here. And we have fortune over here, and this will change in every 10 seconds like that. And we have a little Conky widget over here as well, and so this will show the weather. And yeah guys, and let me talk a little bit about this, what we have on the left side. These are all the days of the month. So if this is a 30 days month, so this will show till 30, and if it is 31, then it will show 31 over here as well. And it's currently showing today's date, so let me quickly show you. So if I search for, let's go to settings, and then go to date and time. So if I change the date, so you will notice that on the left side, so for every date it will just change automatically, and it will also change color. So yeah guys, this is another Conky widget, and this is our dock, our panel. And this is our file explorer, and this is our terminal. So if you open a new terminal, it's gonna look like this every time you open a new terminal. So yeah guys, I hope you like this customization. So let's just start the customization. And by the way guys, I almost forgot about the visualizer. So this is the visualizer, and yeah guys, alright guys, so let's go ahead and start the customization. So here I have a project file. You can find the link of this project file down in the description of this video. So let's go ahead and quickly extract the project file. I can delete the zip file and then go inside the project file, and over here I have a font. So just quickly install it, and then right click on empty space, and then click on open in terminal. Alright guys, so while I am inside the project file, so let's go ahead and simply make the script executable, and then just simply run the script, which is this one. So this is going to install all the packages that we will need to install to customize the desktop. And again guys, thank you so much for the support, and I really appreciate this. And by the way guys, if you want to install NordVPN, so there is a affiliate link down in the description, so you can get NordVPN and help out the channel as well. And I'm going to press enter. And thank you so much guys, thank you so much for getting the membership and helping me out with the expenses. And yeah, I really appreciate this. Alright, so once this is done, clear the terminal, and then I will install Glava, which is this script. So type / and then install glava.sh. And once that is done, let's install U, which is this script, U install.sh. Alright guys, so once this is done, I can close the terminal and then look for extension manager, which is this one, and then go to browse, and here let's go ahead and install -2 panel, and I will install this one. Click on install, and don't install this one because I'm working with this one. So yeah, once I've installed that, then search for blur my shell, install it, and then I will install vshell, which is this one. Click on install. All right, so once I've installed this, let's go to my project file again, right click on empty space, click on open a terminal, and then I'll simply run this command, which is this one, restore gnome settings. So copy that name, / paste it, and run the script, and as you can see that it has automatically applied the settings for me. All right guys, so as you can see that apply the settings, because I made this script for applying the settings, so that we don't have to waste much time. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and quickly restart. Alright guys, so after I restarted, let's go to my project file again, and here you'll find a downloads link text file. So from here, just copy these links, and let's go ahead and download the icon pack and the GTK theme, and copy this link. So I'm going to use this one to change the GTK theme, and so this is the theme, and I will install I will download first. So I will download this one, which is this one, borderless. Okay, so let's go ahead and download that. And this is the icon pack. Let's go ahead and download it. So once I'm done, let's go inside the downloads, and here just quickly extract them all. This is gonna take a few seconds to extract. Alright, so once I've extracted, I can delete all these tar files and zip files, and then so this is the icon pack. So let's go ahead and open a new window, and then show hidden files, and from here go to .themes, and then simply drag and drop all of these files inside the .themes, and then go back here and then go to .icons, and here I'll just drag and drop the icon pack over here. Okay, so once I've done that, go inside this evolve core, and then from here I will simply go to themes, and then here just simply change it to cappuccino dark. Okay, and let's go to extension manager, and let's go ahead and install user themes. Oh, this is actually installed. Where is user themes? let's turn it on. Okay, so turn on the user themes, and if it is not installed, you can go to browse and search for it. Okay, so let's go ahead and quickly just restart again to make sure that everything is working. Alright, so here we are, and from here, as you can see that the themes have been applied. Now let's go ahead and search for tweaks and go to appearance, then icons, and then select the icon pack that I've just downloaded, which is this one. And from here you can search for menu editor, and you can simply search for Firefox, and let's say I want to change this icon, so I can type Firefox here and select it, click on save. So this will change to this icon. Now you might notice that some of the icons are the default ones, so for those particular icons you can change it like that. Let's say I want to change this one, App Center, so I can type App Center, and here I can type the same and see if there's any icon for that, and if there isn't, then you can simply select any of this and click on save, and this will change the icon. As you can see that Firefox icon have already been applied, and that we can change these other icons. Let's say Conky Manager, and let's change it to some setting icons, maybe something like this, and click on save. And some other icons, firmware updater. So for the sake of the video, I can just simply select any of this. So if this won't change it immediately, but after a restart it will take effect. So this way you can change any application. So let's say you install a new application on your system and you want to change the icon. You can do it like that using the menu editor app. Okay, so once I've changed the icons, I can simply restart. Alright, so as you can see that I pretty much changed all the applications except this one, and I can do that right now. Right now, let's go ahead and change the wallpaper. So inside the project file, I provided all these wallpapers that you can apply. So you can apply them one by one and see which one you prefer. So let's go, and so let's skip this one for now. Now let's search for Conky Manager. And from here, click on this settings icon, select it, go to location, click on add, right click on empty space, click on show hidden files, click on .config, and then select Conky, click on open, and then select it, click on OK, and then refresh it, and there you go. So let's turn all this Conky one by one. And by the way, this is where your username will show up. So what your username is, it will show up over here. Let's apply a different wallpaper like this. Okay, this one. All right, so you may notice that it's not showing the weather information, but don't worry, wait a few seconds and this will show. And for your exact location, if you want to get the exact weather information, so go to .config, okay, and then go to Conky, and then go to weather, and then weather.sh, and open it, and simply give your city ID and API key over here. Just paste it over here, save it, save the file, and it will show the exact weather information over here. And you can get your city ID and API key from this page, openweathermap.org. All right, now let's open the project file again and open a new window, and here go to .config, and then go to Glava, and from here you may notice that I provided a Glava frag file inside the project file. So just simply select it, Control A, press Control A on your keyboard, select all and copy it, and then go to bars and then one.frag and select everything, delete it, and simply paste it. So basically replace it. Type your password. Now let's search for startup applications and click on add, and I will name one Glava, and go to, all right, and here go to downloads, project file, and Glava startup.sh, select it, click on add, and add again, and this time I'll name it U, and then click on browse, go to project file, and click on U, open, click on open, click on add. So I just added the U and the Glava startup script to the startup applications list. Now simply restart, and this time when I restart I will log into Xorg. Now select it, select your username, and then right click, not right click, click on this icon at the bottom right corner, and then select Ubuntu on Xorg. Type a password and log in. Now why I'm using Xorg, and that is because U only works with Xorg on Ubuntu, and it doesn't work with Wayland. So that is why, guys. Okay, so once you log into Xorg, you're gonna have to run the Conky, select the Conky settings again. That is because there was Wayland, and this is Xorg, so that is why I have to do it again. And by the way, guys, from now on I will use the terminal called alacrity. So I can pin it to the dash, and I can run U daemon, and that is because I haven't copied the U file yet. So here's what I'm going to do. I have this U file inside the project file. Just simply do the .config and simply paste it over here, and yep. Now let's go ahead and run U daemon, and as you can see that U is running now. And what, let me just quickly show you. So if I type U, open buttons, and this will show the buttons, and these are interactive, by the way. So that is why I'm using U, because for Conky you cannot have interactive buttons. The Conky just shows the information, and you can actually click on it and it will open a certain application, such as this one is for opening the terminal, and this one will take you to .config. Now if I restart, now everything should work properly. Conky and U and everything should start up. So I have restarted. As you can see that U is already here and Conky should be here. There we go. So it's working properly and Glava is working as well. So let me just quickly play something. Alright guys, so as you can see that Glava is looking like that, and which, by the way guys, you may notice that the processor is not looking good and it is consuming a lot of power. That is cause of Glava. So I don't actually recommend to use audio visualizer like Glava, and I'd recommend it to add it to the startup application, because this will this takes up a lot of processing power. So you can simply deselect it from here, but whenever you wanna feel like using Glava and have this audio visualizer effect, then you can have it. And let's say if you want to kill Glava, so you can type pkill Glava, and this will kill the Glava, and you will see that the processing has gone down. So yeah guys, and if you want to run Glava again, you can just simply type Glava dash desktop, press enter, and this will start the Glava. And by the way guys, inside the project file you will find another Glava frag file. So let's copy this one and paste it and save it. And this is the one .config. Let me just show you again. Go to Glava bars one.frag, this file. So I just copied this one to this, and let's go ahead and test Glava again. And let's place. Okay, so this is the second option, so whichever you prefer. So you'll find both the frag files inside the project file. So yeah guys, and the next thing that I will do is, inside the project file you will see a fish commands text file. So let's go ahead and open our terminal, which is Alacrity. This is our new terminal. Here let's see fish is installed. So fish is not installed, so let's go ahead and install fish. So sudo apt install fish. Install fish, press Y. So fish is now installed, so type fish, and this is the fish shell. Now let's go ahead and copy and paste this line of command. So this will install Oh My Fish, which provides a lot of fish shells, fish themes. And once I've done that, copy and paste this command. So this will make the fish shell the default shell, and after that let's copy this line, paste it, then type neo fetch, type end, and then this line. Okay, so I'm done. Let's go ahead and open the terminal, and you will see that nothing is happening. That is because I need to log out and log back in to see the effect. Alright, so after I restart, let's open Alacrity, and there you go. So it has fish shell as the default shell. So it gives you, the autocomplete feature. Alright guys, so this is it guys. So alright, so this is it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video.